To create a Western Union account, start by going to the Western Union website or downloading the Western Union mobile app. Click on the Sign Up button and select your country or region from the drop-down list. Enter your email address and create a strong password, making sure it is at least 8 characters long and includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Next, provide your personal details, including your first and last name, date of birth, and address. You will also need to provide your phone number, which will be used to verify your account. Once you have entered all the required information, click on the Next button to proceed to the verification step. You will receive a verification code on your phone, which you need to enter on the website or app to verify your phone number. After verifying your phone number, you will be asked to provide identification, such as a passport or driver's license, to verify your identity. This is a mandatory step to comply with anti-money laundering regulations and to ensure the security of your account. Once your account is verified, you can start using Western Union to send and receive money. You can add your bank account or credit card details to your Western Union account, making it easy to transfer funds. It is essential to keep your Western Union account details secure, including your password and verification codes. Make sure to log out of your account when using a public computer or device, and avoid sharing your account details with anyone. By following these steps, you can create a Western Union account and start using the service to send and receive money globally. Remember to always follow best practices to keep your account secure and ensure a smooth transaction experience.